Keep your Mercedes-Benz running smoothly with a proper engine oil and filter change. In this video, Mactec Enterprises walks you through the step-by-step process, from draining old oil to replacing the filter and adding fresh, high-quality oil. Regular oil changes are essential for engine longevity and performance, so don't skip this crucial maintenance. Watch now for expert tips and ensure your Mercedes stays in top condition. Like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance guides.